I'm home. I'm not drunk. I'm patong of Feb. There's nothing sad in my life. Nothing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Zodwa wabantu guys, Zodwa wenu couldn't hold her tears today. She took it to her social media page to appreciate everyone who support her, especially those who book her in different events. Guys, Zodwa recently mentioned that she is not resting enough because of how busy she is with her work. 2020, Zodwa wabantu was charging 25 to 30k, and this year, guys, I assume she costs more than that, and I think per day, guys, Zodwa wabantu sleeps with more than 100,000 rand. We are happy for her if she is happy. Please check her full video and let me know what you think about her appreciation message. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.
Hi guys, to all the people who are in top positions, who sit in boardrooms and meetings, that they get a chance to pick our names, especially mine, Zodwa wabantu. You know, I know you think in Khaliso Febe. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so fucking grateful. All the people who make that decision to say, Zodwa wabantu, we want her on board. All the major deals, bookings, clubs, chisanyamas, our friends that suggest our names in meetings, things that we couldn't see or have a say because we are not there. But we have people who say our names behind our backs, most especially when it involves money. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu. You could be a security guard, a barman, a waitress, a security at the gate of a club or a chisanyama. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to all the people who are at the top, who run accounts, that it's a budget, year-end budget. Oh man, thank you for choosing my name. Thank you so much for choosing my name. I'm Fundanga, but I'm just hungry. I'm hungry every day. I work so hard. Tanukubonga kakhulu. All the media houses, they've been there for me. They've been there. They've been there. Abamameli bani, abafuni kwazi ngoZodwa. TV, radio stations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I'm able to buy eggs and bread and eat. I don't care about the other stuff that you think I want to buy. I want to buy eggs and bread and be happy. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to Amapiano Awards, Metro FM, everyone. I don't want to mention names because someone will forget and you'll think I'm choosing. I love you all. Thank you to the people that provide us with work. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. I'm home. I'm not drunk. I'm patong of Feb. There's nothing sad in my life. Nothing. Thanda ukubonga nje kuphela.